What's up, you guys?
Welcome back to another video. I'm very excited for this one. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be making homemade
Canes.
Ooh, raisin canes.
We have been craving American food like crazy, so we just decided to take matters into our own hands and make it at home.
For those of you that don't know, we're in Europe right now. We're in Portugal, so not many American restaurants. We got McDonald's, Burger King, but we want to try Canes. We went to the store and got some ingredients. Don't go too hard on us because we are in Europe and we don't have the same ingredients that we could get in the States. We're gonna try our best to duplicate Raisin Canes.
I don't know about you, but I'm hungry, so let's get started. Here's all the ingredients that we got at the store. And we even got little to-go boxes just to make it seem more like Canes.
Yeah, you already know. First things first, fries.
Ooh, old-fashioned stove.
While the fries are cooking, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the chicken.
Hey, look at these egg cracking skills. It's magnificent.
Bro, not him using a knife to stir.
Chill, chill. Anything get the job done.
For the flour mixture, you want to add flour, breadcrumbs, paprika, salt, garlic powder, and pepper.
Whatever comes through clear. Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this? Put some spotlight on the side. And whatever comes through clear. Do you slide on all your nights? Do you slide on all your nights? Do you slide on all your nights? Do you slide on all your nights?
Now it's time to fry these bad boys. Ooh, dang, just slam that joint in there. Chill.
Jeez, that's what we working with. I'm telling you, don't play with us. Don't do it.
We just finished making the chicken. Now we're about to make their famous Texas toast.
Now it's time for the main event. If you've ever been to Cane's, you know that the special thing is the sauce, the cane sauce. So that's what we're about to make here. You need some mayonnaise, you need ketchup, you need Worcestershire sauce. So let's get started.
Light on her face. Put that spotlight on her face. Put that spotlight on her face. We gon' pipe up and turn up. We gon' light up and burn up. Mama too hot like what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go yard. My diamonds gon' shine when the lights dark. You and I take a ride down the boulevard, and your friends really wanna break us apart. Good Lord. Good gracious.
Just like cane sauce. One thing that we didn't do that I love from Cane's personally is the coleslaw. She didn't want to get coleslaw. A lot of people don't like coleslaw.
You're a rare breed.
I know. A lot of people don't like it. I don't know why, but we didn't end up getting it. That's another one of the item that comes with the menu, but we didn't do it.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm parking in LA.
Now for the ultimate test.
Let's see if we did this right.
Let's see if we did it right. Look how crispy it looks. It looks like we did it right, but does it taste right?
Let's see.
Bro, this tastes exactly like Cane's. I kid you not.
It's insane. It's
the
insane.
crispiness, the taste of the sauce, this.
Bro, I'm trying to be humble, but I just can't. I can't be humble about this.
This is so good. Don't play with us. Let's try the bread.
It's hitting too, but Cane's bread is more on the soggy side. This is a little bit crispier, harder, but it's still good though.
Yeah. We got lemonade to drink because Cane's is pretty popular with lemonade, I think. They don't have sweet tea here. We wanted sweet tea, but fries are really good too. Very crispy.
Fries.
It's this sauce though that makes this meal amazing.
This is very accurate though. I'm not gonna lie, this is very accurate. I wasn't expecting the sauce to taste as good as it is.
And the tenders, this is good. You have to try this recipe.
You got to, for real. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment. Let us know in the comments if you're gonna try this at home. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time.
Peace out.